Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be making homemade black shoe polish. So firstly, you need your candle, then you also need your soap, then you also need the palm oil, charcoal, kerosene, a pot, then we also need our grater. So let's dive in and start. So firstly, we have to grate our candle wax and our soap together. So this is the result of the grated candle wax and the soap. The soap is optional. I just used it to prevent our polish from having that bad smell, okay? So this is me adding detergent to our pot to prevent it from sticking. Put your pot on fire, then add in your red oil. Allow it to bleach. I think this is the right time to say this. Please, if you're still watching this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate. Thank you. So our oil is done bleaching. Then you go in with your grated candle wax and soap. Stir this and allow both of them to melt. Then remove your pot from fire and immediately you add your kerosene. Then go in with your charcoal. Stir and allow it to cool. Once it cools, it will get thick. So this is how thick it finally became after I allowed it to cool for like 10 to 20 minutes. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.